So here we are. Today we're gonna have a look at the difference between ser y estar, and between these two we have to choose which is the correct to use in what different occasions. Stay with me. As it is written in this old ancient document, Spanish with Alex, class number 8. Yeah? As I said, we're going to have a look at the difference between ser y estar, between these two verbs. And let's dive into it straight away. When we use ser, situación duradera que no cambia o cambia lenta y difícilmente, something which is permanent. Let's say it that way, very easy. Things like that are la identidad, la nacionalidad, el carácter de una persona, la profesión y la apariencia física. Okay, how you look, tall, small, chubby, not chubby. Okay, your character, bad, good, or whatever there you're gonna put. Nationalities, identities, and profession. We always use ser. Estar, on the other hand, situación momentánea que puede cambiar, something which is changing. Just in this particular moment is this, but tomorrow is different. Estado psicológico. Okay, how you feeling in this particular moment? Sad, happy, laughing, not laughing. Estado físico, again, how you feeling in this particular moment. Ubicación, something for location, where it is there or is there not. This thing, existing or not existing. Yep. Let's see some examples for the verb ser y the verb estar. So let's go ahead with the first example. Yo soy hermoso. That means in general, I am a handsome person. Yo estoy enamorado. I am in love in this particular moment. Tomorrow, I might not be in love. Yep. As well, if you use estar and say hermoso, that means in this particular moment, at the moment how you dressed or whatever, you look handsome. But tomorrow might not be handsome. But I don't say that. Tú eres guapa. Here we are. You in general are beautiful. Tú estás aburrido. In this particular moment, you are feeling bored. Well, I hope so. No? How you gonna feel bored with my class? Él, ella. Oh no, ella después, okay. Él, usted es muy mal. This in general, it's a bad person. Él o usted. Él está muy mal. This person at the moment is feeling bad. Yeah. Ella es abogada. Profesión. Okay. She in general. Ella está graciosa in this particular moment. Nosotros, nosotras, somos de Madrid. We are. This is not changing that easy. Tomorrow you are from a different place. Nosotros estamos. Location. We are in Madrid. Vosotros, vosotras sois altas y delgadas, como yo. I wish. I'm not. These girls, in general, altas, delgadas because it's with a, and you know when is a, it's for girl. If it is for boys, how it's going to be? O. Vosotros sois altos y delgados. Vosotras sois altas y delgadas. So they in general are how they look this way. Vosotros estáis delgadas. And maybe this is not the best example, but they at the moment are skinny girls. Ellos son trabajadores. They are, in general, ellos están agotados. They are how they are feeling in this particular momento. Ellas son búlgaras. Ellas están muy felices. Again, están muy felices. In this moment, they are happy. And Bulgars, that's their nationality. Questions? Do you have any questions? Or you don't have any questions? I hope this is kind of getting inside your head because, as you can see, now it's your turn. You have to think about if it is something permanent or if it is something which is changeable, something which is today but tomorrow no, or now and in 10 minutes it's not like that. Okay? Think about it and then use ser or estar. Ready? So, número 1. La mesa es, okay, this is not changing, cuadrada. El café está caliente. Okay, in this moment it's hot. In 10 minutes it's not hot anymore. 2. Nosotros, location, estamos en Italia. Claudia es guapa. She looks. 3. Felipe Castro es rico. Well, nice. Lima es la capital de Perú. ¿Sí? This is not changing. El profesor es delgado. El hotel está, location, en la plaza. 5. El ejercicio es fácil. La silla está ocupada. 6. Ellos son alemanes. This doesn't change. Yo estoy preocupado. In this moment I am stressed. I am worried. 7. La mesa está limpia. Yeah, in this moment it's clean, but in 5 minutes might not be. El café está bueno. 8. Nosotros somos italianos. Claudia está resfriada. In this moment she is not well. 9. Felipe Castro está en California. Who knows? He might be there, he might not be. Lima está en Perú. Okay, location. Where is Lima? El profesor está concentrado. Muy bien. El hotel es muy elegante. Es something which is not changing. It is nice, beautiful hotel. 11. El ejercicio está en el libro, where you can find it. La silla es roja. This does not change. 12. Ellos están en Alemania. Location, where they are in this particular moment. Yo soy rubio. Am I? I can't really see. But anyway, did you do it like that? I hope so. Yes. Why? Because we are going ahead to see something different for you. And this is more exercises. Yay! Nothing better than that. Nice, nice. So, more exercises for you, and this is ser o estar. You have to read it and choose one or the other version. So, you know what to do. Pause. Well, ready to go? Okay, ser o estar. You have to choose one of these. Número 1, las margaritas son amarillas y blancas. They don't change. Something, we talked about that already. Número 2, qué guapa estás con ese sombrero, Lola. In this particular moment, she put this hat and she is beautiful. Número 3, algunas rosas no son, muy bien, blancas. Some of them are white, okay? They don't change like that in 2 seconds. 4, esos cristales están sucios. In this particular moment, they are dirty. 5, este árbol está muerto. Yep, in this particular moment. And 6, Ana y Sergio están casados. 7, estoy cansado. Something which is at the moment, physical. So, estoy cansado. 8, este café está muy caliente. In this particular moment. 9, hoy no estoy alegre. ¿Por qué? Porque estoy muy triste. ¿Para qué? Porque hay más ejercicios. Yeah! Okay, here we are. One more time. Think if it's something permanent or it's something which is in this moment. That is the simple way how I can explain to you the difference between ser y estar. But remember, location, how you feel physically or mentally in this particular moment, something which is not changing, nationality, profession, blah, 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 blah. You can do it. Read it and do it. Fill it in. I'm waiting for you. Ready for number 1. El Teatro Real está en la Plaza de la Ópera. Así es. Número 2. El examen es a las 10. Something which is not changing. At 10 o'clock. And if you remember, in one of the previous classes, 2 classes ago, I said that the time we always use the verb ser. Número 3. ¿Dónde están mis gafas? Location. At this moment, we're looking for them. 4. Mañana es mi cumpleaños. Well, no, really, but anyway. 5. El examen es en el aula 15. Okay, something which is not changing. It is there and there is going to be. 6. ¿Cuándo es la boda? Which day? We're looking for the date. 7. ¿Dónde está la discoteca Futuro? Oh, we're looking. Location. 8. El examen está encima de la mesa. We're looking exactly for the papers, for this particular papers, test, exam. Y location, as always. Número 9. El concierto es en el Teatro Real. So, it is there, it's not changing, it's not in a different place. Yep. And 10. ¿Dónde está location? ¿Dónde está la fiesta? Yo quiero ir a esa fiesta. Así que, ¿dónde está? Dime la hora y vamos a fiesta. Well, and the last thing for you, I hope you have some power to do it, some energy to do it. These sentences are mixed, the words are lost. like you in the airport. And you have to put them, okay, you have to put them where is the correct place. So think and you can do it. Vamos a ver el primer ejemplo. Es importante estudiar todos los días. Sí, todos los días. As I say, it is very important every day. Just 15 minutes. Just 15 minutes to spend of learning is much better than once a week. Yeah, once a week for 2 hours if you want, or 5 hours, I don't know. You're not gonna learn that many things. It's not gonna get inside your head that many things. If you spend 15, 20, 30 minutes a day, it's much more helpful, it's much more beneficial for you to spend and make your brain think in Spanish than just once a week. So yeah, as I say, 15 minutes a day is much better. Número 2, que nosotros estamos en casa de mi abuela. Location. María, número 3, es muy inteligente. Something which is not changing. She is what she is. Madrid, que, no, el clima en Madrid está soleado hoy. Too much sun. 5. Estos libros son de la biblioteca. Juan y Ana son mis amigos de la infancia. Son, something which is not changing. It is like that for a long, long time. And the last one, el concierto es en el Parque Central. Maybe you are questioning yourself why this one, as it is location, is not está. Because this is something which is there. It's not changeable. It is there, the concert. And it's not gonna go anywhere else. Well, I hope so. This is like getting inside your head. Practice it, maybe have a look again the exercises, think about it, have a look again the whole class, because I will catch you in the next one.